For those who can, listen up. Doctors say there's a trend that people are losing hearing earlier in life.
But is there something you're doing that's the source of the problem? WEAU's Jessica Bringy has our story.
And do you have a history of being exposed to loud noises?
Yes, I do.
If you're exposed to loud noises, you may be among those at risk for losing their hearing earlier in life.
Most of the time people don't come in until it's really starting to cause a problem, and by then it's really gotten to a much more advanced point. So I'll just have you raise your hand every time you hear beeping sounds.
Audiologist Nancy Hebler with Marshfield Clinic says it's a trend being seen in Chippewa Falls.
He does have some hearing loss in the higher frequency range.
Patients like 33-year-old Chris Krieger, who've been around loud machinery most of their lives, are experiencing it first year.
It's frustrating when you got little kids and they're calling your name and you can't hear it. You know, I guess it's time to take a change.
Between the improper use of headphones, loud machinery, and shooting ranges, Hebler says Krieger's case isn't uncommon.
We do see that trend that we are seeing more people with hearing loss at a younger age. Again, we're not seeing regular testing of younger people, and yet when we do get them in, we'll find these early stages of noise-induced hearing loss.
Through regular checkups and using protection like earbuds when attending concerts or working in a loud environment, Hebler says it may prevent hearing loss.
It's a good rule of thumb if you can actually talk to somebody carrying on a conversation with the earbuds in that lets you know that they're not excessively loud. Other people can hear your music, especially if they could actually identify what you're listening to. It's way too loud.
In Chippewa Falls, Jessica Bringy, WEAU 13 News.
And Hebler does say we hear to keep ourselves safe, so it's good to be aware of your surroundings during activities like running or biking by keeping your music low enough that it doesn't block out the other sounds.